Hey there, financial freedom seekers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that could completely transform your financial future: passive income. Imagine waking up to find that you've made money while you were sleeping. That's the magic of passive income, earning money with minimal ongoing effort. But here's the truth that most influencers won't tell you. Building passive income streams takes some work up front, and the journey is different for everyone. I'm going to share the most realistic passive income ideas for beginners, ones that don't require a fortune to start or specialized skills you don't have. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to begin your passive income journey today. Idea number 1, dividend investing. Let's kick things off with a classic: dividend investing. This is how regular people, just like you and me, can build long-term wealth and generate passive income. Think of it like owning a tiny piece of a giant money-making machine. You buy shares of a company that pays dividends, that's a portion of their profits, and you get a cut, usually every quarter. It's like getting free money for simply owning the stock. Now, the key here is choosing the right companies. Look for established businesses with a history of consistent dividend payments and growth potential. Let me tell you about my friend Sarah. She started investing in dividend stocks in her early 20s with just a few $100 a month. Fast forward 10 years, and she's earning thousands of dollars every year in dividends alone. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy. Reinvest those dividends, buy more stocks, and watch your passive income snowball over time. What's the first step? Open an account with a brokerage firm like Fidelity or Schwab. Yeah, I know it sounds intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than you think. They even have resources to help you pick dividend stocks. So what are you waiting for? Your future self will thank you for starting this journey today. Idea number 2, digital products. Okay, have you ever thought about selling digital products? This is where things get really exciting. You're literally selling digital versions of your knowledge, skills, or creativity. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, stock photos, the list goes on. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, they can be sold over and over again without any extra effort from your end. That's right, pure passive income potential. Now let's talk about my boy John. He was a freelance photographer struggling to make ends meet. He decided to package his photography skills into an online course teaching beginners how to take amazing photos. Guess what? That course took off like crazy. John went from struggling freelancer to earning a 6-figure passive income stream, all thanks to his digital product. Inspired? You should be. Think about what you're good at, what people ask you for help with. That right there could be your next digital product. Create it once, sell it forever. That's the beauty of it. Your first step? Choose a platform like Gumroad or Teachable to host and sell your digital product. It's easier than you think, and the income potential is massive. Idea number 3, print on demand. Design once, sell forever. Alright, let's talk about a fantastic passive income stream that's perfect for all you creative folks out there. Print on demand. This is how you turn your designs into physical products without holding any inventory. Imagine designing t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, whatever your heart desires, and selling them online without ever touching a printing press. Here's how it works. You create the design, upload it to a print-on-demand platform like Printful or Printify, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You literally make a sale, and they do the rest. My friend Lisa, she's a graphic designer, and she was always creating cool designs but never knew what to do with them. Then she discovered print on demand. She started uploading her designs onto t-shirts and hoodies, and they started flying off the virtual shelves. Now she runs a successful print-on-demand business from her home, earning passive income from her designs. The best part? You don't need to be a design whiz to make this work. There are tons of free design tools available online. Your first step? Head over to Printful or Printify, explore their product catalog, and let your creativity run wild. Idea number 4, content creation with multiple monetization. Share your passion, earn passive income. Now, if you love creating content, whether it's videos, podcasts, blog posts, or social media content, then this one's for you. Content creation can be a goldmine for passive income if you do it right. The key is to build a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. Once you have that, the monetization opportunities are endless. You can earn through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling your own products or services, and even ad revenue. Take it from my friend Mark. He started a YouTube channel about his passion for hiking and the great outdoors. He consistently put out high-quality videos, grew his audience organically, and now he earns a comfortable passive income through affiliate marketing and sponsorships from outdoor brands. Mark turned his passion into a profitable passive income stream, and you can too. The first step? Choose a platform you enjoy creating on, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or starting a blog. Be consistent, provide value to your audience, and watch as your content starts generating passive income for you. Idea number 5, rental income without owning property. Get creative, get paid. Let's talk about rental income, but with a twist. You don't need to own a house to earn passive income from renting. Think outside the box. Do you have a spare bedroom you could rent out on Airbnb? A parking spot in a high-demand area? How about renting out your car on Turo when you're not using it? You can even rent out your camping gear, camera equipment, power tools. The possibilities are endless. Maria, a single mom, needed extra cash. She lived near a popular concert venue but had no idea what to do with her empty garage. Then it hit her. She started renting it out as parking space during events. That simple idea brings in a consistent stream of passive income, helping her cover her bills and then some. The first step? Take inventory of what you own and could potentially rent out. List it on platforms like Airbnb, Turo, Neighbor, or even your local community groups. You'll be surprised by what people are willing to rent. The most successful passive income strategies combine multiple methods. Start small with one idea that resonates with your situation, skills, and available time. Then gradually add more streams as you gain confidence and experience. Remember that passive income isn't about getting something for nothing. It's about front-loading your effort to reap ongoing rewards. I challenge you to choose just one of these ideas and take the first step today. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you from building your first passive income stream. Even $50 a month is a start that can grow into something significant. Let me know in the comments which passive income stream you're going to start with, and I'll personally respond with additional tips specific to your choice. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical financial advice that actually works for beginners. Until next time, keep building those income streams.